Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today I am micro shading rather my brows. So I'm going to start off by sanitizing my hands. I'm using this sanitizer. So it's a liquid one, it's not a gel sanitizer. I'm just going to use that to ensure that we are being safe and following procedures. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to take my alcohol pad. So I'm just going to take one and tear that off. I'm going to use this to wipe down my brows. Okay, so I'm going to be looking here because that's where like my mirror is. And then the next thing I'm going to do after that is to apply numbing cream. Okay, so I'm going to leave the numbing cream on for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on this and just apply that like so. Then once I'm done applying the numbing cream, I'm going to go ahead and use a foil tape, a film tape to okay, so that is the first step. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Okay, so I've done numbing and all. I'm going to start brow mapping. Okay, so we're going to find the midpoint of our face. So this is my midpoints. Okay, confirm to make sure that this is correct. Okay, yep, that's the midpoint. Then the next is the beginning of the brows. Do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so and then we want to get the starting point for our brows. Good. Then we also want to get we want our brows to end. So you can tell that my lines are not straight, but don't worry, I will adjust that. So now we are going to get where my arc is meant to be. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with this to measure, to make sure that we have the same length on both brows. So that's a bit far. This is where the back is meant to be. So you can go in with this to clean that out. Okay, so for my arc, I want it to be a bit high. So guys, I am done measuring and ensuring that these brows are accurate. Yeah, so I'm going to start off by using a new cartridge. Just going to squeeze this in, and then I'm going to wear my gloves as well. Okay, so I'm using the battery, I'm not using electric. So I'm just making sure that all of this are even to 85 or 90%. So this one looks a bit higher. I'm just going to go down a bit. Yep, better. So another thing you can do is to measure the length of the brows from the beginning all the way to this point. So we're going to all the way from the beginning all the way to this point. So you can see that this one is longer. I'm going to reduce the length just a little. Yo, that's better. Okay, so I already wrapped my machine. So I'm just trying to show you the length of the pin. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, my ink. And also we have to make sure that our wipes are ready. Okay, so let's go. Done with 3 passes, and right now I'm tired. I'm just like resting a bit while the numbing cream is on my brows. So I'm going to go over this one twice, and then do a final one because I want to do 6 passes. I want it because I'm using brown. This is the shade I'm using, brown, so it's giving me like it's not going to be dark enough. So I want to make sure that I get in there very well so that it pops by the time it's healed and everything. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, I'll be back. Let me just show you guys, this process. So I'm taking this one off. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. I like it. So as you can see, there are spaces. We're going to go and fill that. Hey guys, so I'm officially done with my brows, and to be honest, the numbing cream is already wearing off, and I'm beginning to feel the pains. Like, my brows are swollen. Like, while I was doing the process, I didn't feel the pain, so that's the good thing about using a numbing. You must use a numbing cream, okay, and get a good one. The one I use is F&E. Is it gonna show? F&E Tattooist. That's the numbing cream that I used. Also, as you can see, the brows are looking good. They're a bit I hope this, like, I know it's going to lose pigment within like 2 to 3 weeks, but I hope the finished result is going to be like this, because I want it this shade. So I'll definitely do another video showing you the day-to-day process of the healing. That way you can know, okay, this is what you'll be going through if you get to do your brows, I'll do a video on that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, definitely leave it in the comment section. I will answer it as soon as I get to your comments. All right, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's all, guys. I love you. Bye.